Here are instructions for mounting your Nureva HDL200 audio conferencing system on a display for use in small rooms up to 18 feet by 18 feet or 5.5 by 5.5 meters. The tools required are a number 2 and a number 3 Phillips screwdriver and the included Allen key. The kit comes with everything you need: the mounting bracket, 2 VESA-compatible adjustment arms, 2 plastite screws, 12 steel screws of various sizes, 4 washers, 16 spacers, and an Allen key. Carefully lay your HDL200 unit and your display face down on a flat surface. The bezel around the screen should keep it off the table surface. Ensuring that the top edge of the bracket is flush with the HDL200, use the Phillips screwdriver to attach the mounting bracket to the HDL200 with the 2 plastite screws. Using the Allen key and 4 M6 screws, aim and attach the top part of each of the adjustment arms to the mounting bracket. Place the hanger brackets from your display mount over top of the channel on each of the adjustment arms. Using a combination of washers and spacers, align each of the adjustment arms so that they're level with the flat surface on the back of the display. Using a Phillips screwdriver, attach each arm using M6 or M8 screws, depending on your display. Ensure that the HDL200 is aligned and parallel to the top of the display with a 1/4 inch gap. Using the Allen key, tilt, then tighten the tilt mechanisms at 4 points on each adjustment arm so that the front of the HDL200 is flush with the front of the display. Ensure that there is a 1/4 inch gap between the HDL200 and the display. Adjust the large bolt on each adjustment arm so that it contacts the display firmly. With assistance, carefully lift the display onto the stand. Now, in order to attach the USB cable, you will need to temporarily remove the 2 plastite screws attaching the HDL200 to the mounting bracket. Be cautious and hold on to the HDL200 as it will be momentarily unattached. Loop the USB cable around the zip tie and plug it into the USB-B port. Now reattach the HDL200 to the bracket with the plastite screws. Connect the barrel end of the power adapter to the back of the HDL200. Now plug the USB into your computer. Then plug the power adapter into the wall. This will initiate a startup sequence within about 10 seconds. You'll see the screen transition through several modes and hear a boot up noise. It will take about 30 seconds. On your computer, set the HDL200 as the default playback and recording device for your operating system and use CNC or audio conferencing software. Your system is ready to be used. Now is a good time to access Nureva Console, our cloud-based device management platform. To install the Nureva Console client, visit support.nureva.com and search Downloads. Select the Nureva Console client for Windows or Mac, and then install it on the device you are using with your HDL200 system. You can manage your systems remotely by accessing Nureva Console from the cloud. In the Nureva Console client, click Manage Remotely and follow the instructions to enroll your system. After enrolling, you may want to familiarize yourself with the audio settings and other capabilities of Nureva Console. Learn more at nureva.com/console. For more installation tips, visit nureva.com/support.